multimedia elements like video and audio make your website more engaging. So you can use the video and the audio tags to embed media directly into your web page. So let's start with the video here tag. Video opening and the closing tag, it will include the source of the video that we want to be displayed in our web page. So, and for the video here, it needs like an attribute called the controller, the controls. So this control attribute is like the play, pause, and volume that will control these options in our video. Controls. Here we go. And let's specify our source here. So the source tag here does not need the closing tag because it's closed. Source and closing it. Save. And also we want to include, here is our video, but there is nothing inside it. So we want to include the video. I already imported here in our file a video here, so you want to use it. You can just download a random one for a purpose of the learning and use it here. Let's make an attribute of source and include our video path here, video.mp4. And also we want to specify like the type of our video here, mp4. Here we go. So it's so big here, our video. We can also do another thing. We can specify the height and the width for our video here. Let's make the width, and we will dive into it more in our CSS section. But now let's just do the width let's do the styling inline with the HTML. So let's make it like 300 pixel. Save. There we go. And we can use it also here. And this one will control these options. It will be controlled here by this attribute. Control mutate or like download or whatever you can specify. And we can instead do like the auto player here attribute. The auto player here, which is it automatically will be played. And also we have the attribute of the like muted, and this one will be there is no sound. Here for the audio here, for the purpose of the learning, you can just download a random audio from like the YouTube free library audio here and include it in your file, so we can use it also. In our case, I already uploaded this one. So for the audio, it's like the same. The audio tag is similar. Let's make a tag here of the audio, opening the closing tag. It will also include like an attribute called controller or whatever that you want to be. In our case, let's make it controller here. And inside it, let's specify the source of our audio. Here we go. And now let's include the source of our file path, our audio path. Source. And there we go, the mp3. And for the type also, that's optional, but it's better to do it. Our option here is like audio and mp3. Here we go. Now we can control our audio like a pro. And the mutated, we have also the option to download or play speed, pause, and optionals. So that's it for the audio and the video HTML tags. So both video and audio tags support multiple sources. So you can add different formats for compatibility This ensures that more users can enjoy your media content. So that's it. With these skills, you are ready to start making dynamic web pages. In the next section, we will dive into the CSS to bring these elements to life with the styling. Thanks for watching, and let's continue building together. So make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And if any comment or any suggestions for the next videos or the next tutorials in our channel, or that you have like a question, please comment down in the video, so I will reply to you whenever I will be available. Thank you, and I will see you in the next section.